Open WhatsApp and go to the main chat screen. Scroll down the list until you find the group you want to leave. Tap on the chat to open it. Once inside, tap on the group name at the top. The group information screen will open. Here you can see the participants, settings, and other options. Now scroll down to the bottom of the screen. You will find the item, Leave Group, highlighted in red. Tap on this option. WhatsApp will ask you for confirmation. Tap on Abandon to proceed. Once you have logged out, you will no longer receive messages or notifications from that group. Your name will appear in small print in the chat with the words, "You have left the group." Furthermore, you will no longer be able to write or read new messages from the group unless someone adds you again. If you do not want other participants to know that you have left, you can also mute the group or archive it as a temporary alternative. But if your decision is final, leaving is the best choice. With this simple action, you can keep WhatsApp cleaner, tidier, and less stressful.